2011 Toyota Tundra with both headlight bulbs that are burned out. I'm going to show you how easy it is to change those. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to install your headlight bulb on a 2011 Toyota Tundra. Now this will be the same for a lot of second gen Toyota Tundras, and we're just going to be doing the low beam bulb, which is this one right here. Our high beam bulbs are working fine, but our low beam bulbs are out. What happened with this truck is the alternator went bad. It failed high, and so much voltage was going to these bulbs that they both burned out. So we're going to go ahead and swap that out. We already changed the alternator. If you need a video on how to change your alternator on a second gen Tundra, I'll leave a link in the description, but should be a pretty quick and easy job. I'll show you how easy it is to do. First, of course, just pop the hood, make sure that the truck is off and the headlights are off. Now on the driver's side, it's pretty easy to get to. It's just right here next to the battery, and this is our headlight bulb right here. We're going to be installing the Sylvania basic bulbs. These are H11. When you handle these bulbs, it's really important that you don't touch your finger on the bulb. So I usually will wear some gloves just to make sure that we don't foul that up, because that can cause your bulb to also burn out quickly. These bulbs were recently replaced after they burned out, but they didn't know about the alternator issue at the time, so this is actually a pretty new bulb. To get the old bulb out, all we need to do is just turn it counterclockwise and then take it out. So here is the old bulb, which again is kind of new. I'm just going to press this little tab right here to take it out. I don't know if that's showing up, but you can see that it is burned out, even though it was a pretty new bulb. Well, let's go ahead and put in the new one. Again, I'm wearing a glove so that I don't get any of the oils or grease on the bulb part. Let's just open this up real quick. So then we're just going to slide this into that little connector until it clicks, like that. Okay, and then just take that bulb and feed it right through that same opening, or that into that same hole. And then once you have it centered, there's those little tabs. You kind of have to wiggle that around until it goes in like that. Push that clockwise until it clicks in place. Just like that. That one's in. Let's go do the passenger side now. All right, for the passenger side, it's kind of a little bit tighter because of the washer fluid reservoir right here, but it's the same process. Just turn that, and then we'll pull it out. Push that little tab on the electrical connector. There's our old bulb. Just push the new bulb into the connector. I'm just gonna press until it clicks, just like that. Just kind of doing that one-handed. Trying not to block the camera here, but this is a tough one. And then all we need to do is just feed that into the same opening, kind of by feel. Once you get it in to the opening, then you can just turn that same direction as the other side, which makes it kind of difficult because you kind of have to start over this way and then turn it down so that the connector is facing down. There we go. Let's go turn on the lights and make sure everything works. There you go. Success. We've got headlights again. Again, this is on the second gen Tundra. This happens to be a 2011. Now this is the 4.6 liter engine, but it should be the same process with the 5.7 liter engine as well. Again, in our situation, both of these burned out at the same time because that bad alternator was putting out way too much power, and that completely fried those bulbs. But you can see everything works just fine right now. Let's start the truck and make sure that it works fine with the alternator as well. And there it is. Headlights are now working. And that's it. You're done. As you saw, it's definitely something you can do yourself and save some money. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up some of these replacement bulbs for your vehicle as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.